Good noon, everyone. As we can see, every year a lot of students go abroad to study and want to go abroad to study. About 10% of the students that are enrolled every year in universities want to go study abroad. So, as you can see in this analysis from 2014 onwards, aspiring applicants, only 5% are successful. 23% are unsuccessful because they do not have the proper guidance. 5% are unsuccessful and yet they have to go through a lot of hassle. 72% are just afraid and or other reasons do not apply at all because it's a really long and complex process. So we are proposing a solution to this. Our solution is EduVision with Team TechnoRex from University of Dhaka. Our idea will be a platform which will be implemented in 3 phases. In the phase 1, we'll be connecting the students to our platform. It will be a student-oriented business and it will be local. In phase 2, we'll be collaborating with our local universities so the students have more options and choice pools. And in phase 3, we'll be expanding to more countries so it'll be a global scale. In our first phase, we're going to be giving an Android app that will give the users the necessity and luxury to apply with using just registering their information and applying with just one click to any university of their choice, and we'll help them with the rest. And if someone does not have a smartphone, they can use the Telco USSD API that we have integrated to make a USSD service to do this with just only one click. And in the second phase, from the Android app, we're going to be expanding to iOS, native, React. Basically, we're going to do a cross-platform device. And we're going to have a new service. Turn back. We're going to have a new service. We're going to collaborate with the universities and certify their courses. Meaning, a student can have a certificate, a soft copy of a certificate that he wants to certify to give it to another university internationally. We're going to do it for them. We're going to collaborate with the local universities and get the certificate authenticated, and we're going to help with the whole process of it. And the local universities can host their online courses and do their promotions on our platform. So the universities will also be benefited from this. And in phase 3, we're going to apply a new service that will be course credit migration. In our country, course credit migration is really bad. We don't have the necessary technology to do it, and it's a really lengthy process. So this is the working prototype of our Android app. Here's the sign-on page and the available courses we can see here. We can also see the course details. In the next page, we can add our courses, we can see our profile and stats. And then we can see our academic results, academic certificates, and non-academic achievements. We can also apply to another university from here. So this is a market analysis. We've done 2 analyses, one for our worst case scenario and one for our best case scenario. In the worst case scenario, we're thinking that only 125K of the students who are willing to go outside are going to subscribe to us, and only 30K will be daily usage users. And taking initial registration fee of 50 taka, we are projecting a revenue of 33 million per year. In phase 2, without the online course enrollment fee or just the digital certification fee, we're adding an extra revenue of 20 million per year. This is the worst case scenario for us. And if it's the best case scenario, the 33 million jumps to a 105 million and the extra 20 million jumps to 50 million per year. The phase 3 we have not implemented yet because we don't know how big it can get or what are its extra potentials. So we have also done a value model canvas here. We have shown our key activities, partners, value propositions, customer relations, segments, channels, and revenue streams. Thank you.